In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the remote robot and the Hummingbird microbit display. And so what I have here is I have a microbit display uh, blocks, and if I scroll over a little bit more, there's also a microbit print display. I have to make sure I'm connected to the robot by pressing the letter C button or clicking on this robot, and it will say either connection restarted or connected. And if I just simply click on this button right here, the letters H, I, and exclamation point will appear on the microbit display, H, I, exclamation point. And I can click in here and I can type just about anything I want. I think the maximum is about 14 characters long, so anything longer than 14 letters just kind of stops sending the code through. So if I put my name in, and there it is. So I can add this to any of my flag commands if I want to say words. In this case, since this rock star, the microbit display is in position of her mouth, I'm going to maybe try to make it look like her mouth is open and closed. And there's a couple of example microbit display features right here. If I were to click on this one right here, it turns into a heart. And so it's essentially turning on and off lights in this display. To turn a light on, you just simply click once on it and make a check mark in there. To turn it off, I click on it once again to turn X, or I can click it a second time and it actually completely goes away. So if I click on this check mark 2 times, click once, twice, it goes away. And so I want to make it look like she is singing with her mouth open and her mouth closed. So what I'm going to do is this will be the open mouth, and I'm going to put this all in a forever loop with a wait command. So I have the Hummingbird wait 1 second, and then I'm going to duplicate this and put this under here. Notice that it added another wait command because it duplicated everything underneath it. Now I'm going to turn off these lights here and make it look like she has her mouth closed. So now when I press the green flag button, it's going to look like she is opening and closing her mouth. And I can control the wait time in between if I want to put it like 0.2 seconds and 0.2 seconds. The opening and closing, press the flag button again, open and close will go much faster. And so I can alternate these. I can wait 5 seconds before the mouth starts singing. And so now I'm going to start over here. So I'm going to press the flag button. What I might want to do is I'm going to turn these off. This is so I can test it. Now if I click once on this display right here, it turns her mouth off. And then now if I press the flag button, we can count about 5 seconds and then she should start singing. So click the flag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there she starts singing. So that's a way to delay an action from happening so that it's timed to be when you want it to be. And just like the other ones, I can add some print commands in here and I can have her say certain things. I can connect it with, I can add more flag commands with motors going, and so I can have all this stuff action happening at the same time. And that's how you control the microbit display in your robot.